everyone, welcome back to Louise Plus 10. Thanks for heading over to watch today's video. Welcome to my new subscribers. I really hope that you're going to get lots of cleaning motivation from my channel. Today's video should have been like an all week type of clean with me, but unfortunately life gets in the way. There's been some unexpected busy things occurring that I had no control of. However, today's video I'm hoping will still give you lots of the cleaning motivation that you're looking for. So you'll see me do a couple of the rooms in my house and then I head over to my hoarder customer's house. You've seen this house in a couple of videos previously, but I thought it would be great to take you back because she's had her dining room and now her lounge redecorated. So I do a bit of cleaning there and then we tackle her really pretty minging fridge. I mean, we found lots of mould on lots of things and food which were like 3-4 months out of date. I just want you to know that my customer was not offended at making this video. She has got an absolutely fantastic sense of humour and she'll just have a good laugh about it, you know. So she was very much willing and wanting me to film cleaning out her fridge. She is an amazing woman. She's come on leaps and bounds in the years that I've been with her and she is just so funny, honestly. I've even left some of the banter between us actually in the video so you can hear what a great sort of relationship we have. So I'm really hoping you're going to enjoy this week's video. Thank you for watching.
the magic places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
I don't know if that's this year, is it? 25th of October, is it?
I think it's last year.
Last year?
Open it up and have a look.
Oh no, what? Have I got to do the smell test?
Well, if there's any mould, I'll let you chuck out.
Ugh. Oh no, that's disgusting. Smell it. Oh. Do you want it?
No.
No? Right then. What's this one?
No.
Oh,
That one open.
2nd of July. Last year, guys. Right then. Oh! Oh! Oh!
It's friendly bacteria.
Oh!
Friendly bacteria.
Do you want it? No? Okay, we'll throw that away then.
Well, that's gut friendly.
Oh my goodness.
That might not be friendly.
No, that might be.
Yeah, that's not. It wasn't nice anyway.
Oh.
So that's why I didn't like it. So that's why it didn't get touched.
That's good then. How are we doing? We're halfway down the fridge. We have one bag full of rubbish.
You're mean, you are. Mean.
Right then, best before July 2022. That's okay. 21st of May, it's gotta go. Yucky, yucky, yucky.
I'm going to starve to death this week because there's nothing to eat.
You should sort your fridge out then. Do you want a lettuce?
It's a cabbage.
Oh, is that what it is?
You're mean. You're mean.
That bread's going. And so is that tin. Do you know you should never store
I know.
tins
I know.
in the fridge,
I
everybody.
know.
Do not put tins in your fridge.
I don't go in the fridge very often.
Mushroom for anybody? 21st of the 2nd. Shall we see what it looks like?
No. It's corn.
7th for the 2nd,
Not
24 for the 2nd. They're going.
Look at that, there's nothing to go back in. I'm going to starve to death. I really am.
Mmm. Ba 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 ba. And we've got loads more tomatoes. 14th of May.
I was on health kick that week.
We're throwing them, aren't we? They're going mouldy, look.
Yeah, I left that one.
They've definitely shriveled up and died.
Yeah, that was my health kick.
Hopefully they've gone to heaven.
I've gone to the great orchard in the sky.
Eggs. 27th of May, they're no good. No.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Fine,
20th of May, best before 27th, they're going. I do not want to be responsible for you having salmonella poisoning.
I've had worse.
You've got 2 bags of rubbish.
I know, no food. Don't need to go on a diet. There's nothing to eat.
Oh, God. Okay, now then, well, I'm just going to move this up a little bit. Okie dokie, guys, this is where the fun begins. 17th of May, no good.
I brought it for you.
Did ya?
At the time, so you could have a nice hot drink.
Oh, thank you.
You ungrateful you are.
You've just forgot to throw it out.
I say to you, do you want a hot drink? You said, no, I'm all right.
25th.
Potatoes are fine, they keep.
The 21st of February, for
What
goodness sake. Right then, do you want some spring onions on your salad?
They're a little bit dry at the end.
Yeah. Oh.
That's fine. I only bought it
I'll
this
let you off with that. You can have that.
week. And onions, if they're not sprouting, they're all right.
Oh. 5th of March, Lorraine. 5th of March.
I
5th
know.
of March. No.
It looks in the back and I can't read. Come on, little.
It's not in the back, it's here.
Well, that's back enough.
What we got? Onions, you're alright. You can't get too poorly off that, can you?
No, especially if they're not sprouting.
No. I'll let you off with a few onions. You're going to be very healthy this week, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm living on that. I'm living on onions. Onion casserole, onion soup, onion sandwich.
Onion soup. Is that more potatoes? The 5th of March. No. Bad girl. Oh dear. What are we going to do with you? There you go, Lorraine. 3 bags of gone off, out of date food to throw
And no
in a
food
bin.
in the fridge.
And
Not a thing to be seen.
no food in the fridge.
Can somebody send me a food parcel? Because I'll be emaciated by last week. I have nothing to eat. Look at that, poor old girl, they'll say. Fancy leaving her without any food in the fridge. Oh God, guys.
It's
healthy bacteria.
It's not.
It's gut friendly.
It's going.
Gut friendly bacteria.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live.